Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Lumark editor, Markdown editor on your Linux computer. So for that we need to open our Lumark's official website, lumark.app, and here we have this download button. So when we click it, it takes us to the GitHub repos releases page where we can find all three installation files based on our operating system. Or if you found the repo in just GitHub or in my page, so something like this, you can click here. It will again take us to the latest release page and as the same page as this one. So on here we can choose which file to download. This one is for Windows, this one is for Mac OS, and this one is for Linux, for all Debian based distributions. And as Ubuntu is a Debian based distribution, it means we can download it and install. So what we need to do here, when we install the file, we need to open the downloads folder or any folder where we downloaded the file inside of a terminal and write the following command: sudo apt install, or we can go even with sudo dpkg-e and pass our installation file and write here our password, and so our app is installed. So we could even do that, if I'm not mistaken, also through this command sudo apt install. Here we can still install it through apt install command, if I'm not mistaken, on newer Ubuntu versions, on newer Linux versions, or I would say. But I'm not sure for our app, so let's do just with this command. And after this, if there are any releases, so we again still just download it to our computer, and after that again we run the same command and it just installs the new version without deleting any file that we created from old version. So it's safe, and now we can just open our app and there we go, it works. We can create a new file, for example called hello world, and start typing here, so anything we need, hello world, blah blah. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. I hope you will enjoy the app.